طارق साहब. इसके बाद मैं अलिशबा ज़रीन से गुजारिश करूँगा कि वो स्टेज की तरफ आएँ. अलिशबा अपने ख्यालात का इज़हार करें.
Assalamu alaikum. We're gathered here to demand demilitarization and reunification of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. There's been a lot of ongoing violence and torture towards all Kashmiris, especially women and children, which needs to stop. As I was saying, just occupying on a territory doesn't make it your own, and claiming it's yours without any justice or ease of the people living there doesn't make it your own. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Insha Khokhar. I am the daughter of Muhammad Qasim Khokhar and Rifat Khokhar. Both of my parents are from Kashmir, and they asked me to come here and speak today, so I'm here to speak to you guys. So I stand here today not just as an individual, but as a voice for those who are often silenced, the women, children, and civilians of Kashmir. Kashmir has been a region of profound suffering. For decades, we have witnessed relentless human rights violations. Women have faced unimaginable violence, and children have been caught in the crossfire of this conflict. We gather here outside of the United Nations today to call for the demilitarization of Kashmir. The presence of military forces only escalates tension and deepens the suffering of civilian population. It is essential that we create an environment where peace can flourish and free from the fear of violence. We urge the international community and the United Nations to take action. We call for an end to military occupation, for accountability of multiple counts of human rights violations, and for the protection of all civilians in Kashmir. So let us stand together for justice, for dignity, and for the fundamental human rights of every individual in Kashmir. Together we can amplify their voices and work towards a future where peace is not just a dream, but a reality. Thank you so much.